In today's video, I'm going to teach you Figma tutorial, how to save your Figma files to desktop. If you've been designing in Figma and want a secure backup on your computer, or you need to share a full project with someone outside your team, saving a local copy is the best way to go. This process creates a .fig file, which keeps your layers, components, and settings intact, so it's perfect for archiving or moving work between accounts. Start by opening your browser and going to the Figma website. Log in if you're not already, and from your workspace, open the project or file you want to save. Give the file a quick check to make sure it's the right version. The name at the top of the canvas is what will be used for the downloaded file, so consider renaming it first to something clear and descriptive if needed. Next, look to the very top left of the Figma interface. Click the main menu icon there. It's the menu next to the Figma logo at the edge of the toolbar. When that menu opens, hover over or click the File option to reveal more actions. From this list, select Save Local Copy. This tells Figma to package your current design into a .fig file. Your browser will now handle the download. If you see a Save dialog, choose Desktop as the destination so the file lands right where you want it. Confirm the name and click Save. If your browser automatically saves files without asking, it will likely place the .fig file in your Downloads folder. In that case, open your Downloads and drag the file onto your desktop to keep it handy. Once the download finishes, you'll see a .fig file on your desktop with the same name as your Figma document. That's your complete project in a single file. To use it later, you can re-import it into Figma by opening the website, clicking Import, or simply dragging the .fig file into your Figma workspace. This restores the full file with pages, frames, and components intact. A few quick tips to wrap up. Saving a local copy is different from exporting images or PDFs. It keeps your editable design structure. It's also a great habit for versioning. You can append dates or version numbers to the file name to track progress. If you're using the Figma desktop app, the steps are essentially the same. Open your file, use the File menu, and choose Save Local Copy. And if you don't see the Save prompt, check your browser's download settings so it always asks where to save. That's all it takes to save your Figma files directly to your desktop.